I wake up early every day.
I wake up early every day.
I open my eyes and get out of bed.
I open my eyes and get out of bed.
I stretch my body slowly.
I stretch my body slowly.
I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
I wash my face with cold water.
I wash my face with cold water.
I brush my teeth carefully.
I brush my teeth carefully.
I look at myself in the mirror.
I look at myself in the mirror.
I feel a little sleepy.
I feel a little sleepy.
I take a deep breath.
I take a deep breath.
I feel better.
I feel better.
I go to the kitchen.
I go to the kitchen.
I make a cup of coffee.
I make a cup of coffee.
The coffee smells very good.
The coffee smells very good.
I drink my coffee slowly.
I drink my coffee slowly.
I check my phone for messages.
I check my phone for messages.
I eat a simple breakfast.
I eat a simple breakfast.
I listen to soft music.
I listen to soft music.
I feel calm and relaxed.
I feel calm and relaxed.
I get dressed for the day.
I get dressed for the day.
I am ready to start my day.
I am ready to start my day.